What does restrict mean on Instagram? So if you want to know what the restrict mean on Instagram, then first of all you have to open up your Instagram application, and now you can go to messages, which is on the upper right corner, and then if you go and tap on any one of the chat, and now you can simply go to the profile, which is on the upper left corner, and here you can go to options, which has the three dots icon, and then you can tap on restrict, and now you have restricted this account. And after restricting, they won't see when you're online or when you have read their messages. Their chat is no longer in your chats list, but you can still search for it. You can unrestrict them from that profile. So that's all about restrict. And after restricting, you can simply tap on dismiss. And now if you want to unrestrict that person, you can simply go to the search bar, and then you can search for them. And after searching, here you will have this account which you have restricted. You can simply tap on unrestrict, which is on the bottom right corner. So that was all about restrict and unrestrict. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.